Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your offer strategy with Redfin Compete detailed guide step by step clearly. To update your offer strategy using Redfin Compete, start by logging into your Redfin account. Once logged in, navigate to the Compete section on the main dashboard. Select the property you are interested in from the list of available listings. Review the current market data presented for that property. Take note of the comparable properties offered in the area. Analyze the competition based on price, days on market, and recent sales. Use the insights provided by Redfin Compete to understand buyer behavior in your selected neighborhood. Adjust your offer based on the data you've gathered. Consider increasing your offer if similar properties are selling above the asking price. If you notice properties selling quickly, think about shortening your contingencies. Evaluate whether to include an escalation clause to stay competitive. Incorporate any local market trends into your decision-making process. After finalizing your adjustments, draft your updated offer. Make sure all your terms are clear and competitive. Once satisfied, submit your updated offer through your real estate agent. Keep monitoring Redfin Compete for ongoing updates about the market and similar properties. Continuously adjust your strategy as needed to stay ahead of the competition. End by reviewing your overall approach and refining it based on feedback and results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.